Buddy, welcome back to chapter 13. Today, we're going to switch gears a little bit from the US standard system of measurement, and we're going to talk about a system of measurement that many other countries in all parts of the world use. We're going to talk about the metric system. And the metric system is based on tens, hundreds, and thousands. In my opinion, it's a very easy system to use instead of mixing up 12 inches in a foot, 3 feet in a yard, 5,280 feet in a mile, so on and so forth. They use the same system for all three units of measurement, whether they're measuring for length, weight or mass, and capacity. They just changed the unit name. To measure for length, the unit that the metric system uses is meters. To measure for capacity or liquid, they use liters, and mass or weight, they use the word gram. They make it very simple, three very easy things to remember. So what I have here up top is a chart that's going to help us figure out conversions for the metric system. The largest prefix I have here is kilo, then a little bit smaller is hecto, deca, and then right in the middle I have my units, my meters, my liters, or my grams. And then I get into smaller units of measurement, deci, centi, and milli. I also have a handy chart here that I'm going to show you as we go how to use it. If I make one jump from one word to another, I'm going to multiply by 10. If I make two jumps from one word to another, I'm going to multiply by 100. And if I make three jumps from one word to another, I'm going to multiply by 1,000. Let me show you what I mean here. In my first example, I have 5 kilometers or kilometers. So I'm going to start here with the 5. And I have to make the jump to the right to get to meters. I want to know how many meters there are in 5 kilometers. Well, I'm going to make one jump, 2 jumps, 3 jumps till I get to my meter. So what I'm going to do is take my 5 and multiply it by 3 jumps, which is 1,000. And hopefully by now we all know that 1,000 times 5 equals 5,000. Same idea here. I'm starting at 25 centimeters. So I'm going to put my 25 here. And I want to go 1 unit next door to millimeters. So I'm making one jump from centi to milli. And I know that that's 10 times, this is 10 times larger. So I'm going to need more millimeters. So 25 times 10 is 250. Millimeters are much smaller than centimeters, which is why I need more than what I started with. Next one, I'm going to talk about the mass using grams. Notice how these are all interchangeable. So I'm starting at 3 grams, which is right here. And I want to go all the way down to milligrams. So I'm going to make one jump times 10, 2 jumps times 100, 3 jumps times 1,000. So I take 3 times 1,000, and there are 3,000 milligrams in 3 grams. So this one talked about weight or mass. And my last example here, I have 80 liters, and I want to know how many centiliters that equals. So I'm going to start at my unit, liter, and I'm going to make one jump times 10, 2 jumps times 100. 80 times 100 equals 8,000 centiliters. So this is how the metric system works. It's based on units of 10, hundreds, and thousands, and all of the unit names are interchangeable, whether I do it with meters, grams, or liters, I'm going to use the same idea with the jumps. I hope this helps you understand the metric system a little bit better. Sure is a lot clearer, in my opinion, than the US standard system. Thanks for watching.